Hello guys, it is I, Puppy Gaming YT. Today we're gonna make a motorcycle engine. Yeah. Alright, so how to make this engine? Obviously it's simple. 2-cylinder heads, or not cylinder heads, but the cylinders right here. A pulley belt. A piece with holes in the side, 3 holes, but you'll only use up 2. 6 black pins, 6 of these black pins, pistons, 2 pistons, 2 rods, 2 crankshaft pieces, I don't know, 2 of these small pieces, small axles, like gray, same size, 1 of these T-shaped pins pieces, 1 of these sort of VT kind of pieces, any color, 1 of these crankshaft pieces, a fan, the small black fan, and that's basically it. Just a bunch of pieces, just a ton of pieces. Yeah. Also, just in case I could use a screwdriver. Never mind. Alright, so what we'll need is these. 2 of these black pins will go right inside the pin pieces. Now we will connect this until they're just one solid piece. Alright, that's the cylinders. Now time to make the crankshaft because we need it. So I already got 1 piston done. So just do this, put 1 of these crankshaft pieces. Then we'll have to do the crankshaft, the piston and the rods. Just connect it like that. Make sure it snaps and it's wiggly because it's a piston. So it has to be ball jointed. And then we slide this right in like that. And put this into the crankshaft. Now we have this. One of them is, make sure that one of them is up and one of them is down because that's how it's supposed to go. And that, now what we'll do with the cylinders, I almost say cylinder heads, we put pins. Where's the, oh, here it is. Put 2 pins on each side of this. Then we'll grab the T-shaped piece, put that one on this side, and then put this one on that side. There'll be a gap. You can cover that up with another one like that. Then it looks a lot better. So once we have that, we're gonna put the crankshaft inside the cylinders. And then we'll grab these 2 small pieces, of course, place them in. Now you see this little hole here in the crankshaft? That little hole right there, make sure that it's inside. Make sure it's not in this little thingy, just make sure it just goes in. Now it's nice and snug and it runs like an engine. Now what we'll do on this side, we could put this like that, and then grab the small fan. Make sure you put it in this way, not this way, because it just doesn't fit. Put it on that way, totally still. Now you have this crankshaft. that actually work. But we have all these other pieces. We'll just put these pins on top. Make sure there's one little hole right there. Make sure they're not like close by, like this. And then you put it on top of the cylinders, and that will be the head. Actually, now it looks like. Now the pistons push up this pieces. So while you're running it, this thing is going up and down as well. Ah, it broke. Oh, great. Now just screwdriver all this. Yeah. That's how you do it. Very fast and simple instructions.